Good morning, social media. This is Rolande from Adolph Law Group, and I do apologize. It's been a long time since our last video. However, I do have a great surprise for you. We're going to start this mini series titled Did You Know, where hopefully once a week we'll bring you new information about the new and old immigration law, and from time to time some personal injury stuff. As I said before, I'm Rolande.
Me llamo Mayra.
I'm Delrose Facey.
And our first segment in our Did You Know series is that did you know that if a person is undocumented, they can get arrested for driving without a valid driver's license in the state of Florida? That's it. That's our segment. No, I'm just joking, of course. Let's go ahead and get more information on that. So, Ms. Facey, Delrose, can an undocumented person get arrested or deported rather simply for driving without a valid driver's license here in Florida?
Driving without a valid driver's license in and of itself is not a deportable offense, but it can land someone in deportation proceedings. In Florida is not a sanctuary state, therefore any interaction with law enforcement where law enforcement has reasons to believe that a person is in violation of federal immigration laws can trigger ICE proceedings as a result.
Okay. So basically what you're telling me is, let's say for example I'm undocumented and I get stopped for running a red light. At that moment, if I do not have a valid driver's license, which I wouldn't because I'm undocumented, is that correct?
Correct, because in Florida, in order to get a Florida driver's license, you would have to show that you have lawful status.
Okay. Now, back to my example. If I am stopped, I could be brought into custody because I don't have a driver's license. Is that correct?
Yes, you can. If law enforcement has reason to believe that you're in violation of immigration laws, they can detain you.
Okay. Now, we have brothers and sisters here who are on TPS. What does TPS stand for?
Temporary protected status.
Okay, so they're protected temporary. Now with TPS, can you get a valid driver's license?
Yes, you can.
Okay, now what happens if someone has TPS but they do not have a valid driver's license and that individual gets stopped?
If that individual gets stopped, then if they're convicted, it would be a misdemeanor offense. And for TPS recipients, if you have 2 or more misdemeanor offenses in the United States, then you are barred from reapplying for TPS, or if you never had TPS, it would be a bar from you being issued TPS.
Now, if you are barred from reapplying for TPS, or you apply for TPS with 2 misdemeanors, what happens?
Your application will be denied, and as a result, you will be in deportation proceedings.
Oh wow, that's harsh. So if you have TPS, make sure you have a valid driver's license, right? That would be the advice.
Of course, don't commit any misdemeanor offenses.
Yes, please don't do that. That's our first, segment of Did You Know? I just want to make sure that everybody out there knows, if you have friends, family, you yourself, if you're undocumented, please do not drive without a valid driver's license. And if you are on TPS, make sure you have a valid driver's license. If not, again, do not drive without a valid driver's license. Anything else, Ms. Facey?
That's it, but just like we said before, driving without a valid driver's license may seem like a minor offense, but it can have major consequences, so you definitely don't want to take that risk.
Right, and then you'll make our job harder, which is quite okay. If you have any questions for myself or Ms. Facey, please feel free to call us at the office, area code 561-660-7776. You can always text us, email us, IM message, however you get connect with us. If you find this video valuable, for sure share it with friends and family that may need this advice. That's all for today. I'll see you hopefully next week. Ciao.
Bye.